Racing just is started. We have Gold Money break quickly at the start. Moving up now on the outside is Prince Larry. Balulan Beach in the middle portion is part No Peso, No Dan Zeronimo. Then next online now is Amazing Damascus is Spanish Drums Golden Square. Then followed over by Matini Idol Hakuna Matata, while Apple Green is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Prince Larry. Now takes command by about 3 lengths. Gold Money in second. No Peso, No Dance now moving up to take third. Then on the outside is Balulan Beach. Is Park comes next is Spanish Drums. Amazing Damascus Geronimo. Then next on that is Matini Idol. Then down on the inside is Golden Square. Hakuna Matata racing second last, while Apple Green is still racing in less inside the Tres Octavo. The lead now belongs to No Peso, No Dance. Then on the outside is Balulan Beach. Prince Larry is down on the inside. Gold Money, Spanish Drums, Geronimo, Amazing Damascus, Matini Idol comes next. Down on the inside, Hakuna Matata is Park, Golden Square, while Apple Green is still racing in less. And as they swing for home, we have Prince Larry moving up now on the outside. Geronimo in the middle portion is Spanish Drums, No Peso, No Dance, Balulan Beach, Matini Idol. Last 100 meters, we have Geronimo, No Peso, No Dance, Matini Idol, Hakuna Matata, and finally it's Geronimo. Then comes Hakuna Matata, Matini Idol, No Peso, No Dance, Spanish Drums, and number 8, Prince Larry.